How to play Cuphead in two-player mode online on your PS5. While Cuphead is primarily designed for local couch co-op, here is a guide to how you can play it online with a friend on PS5. In first step, Cuphead only supports local co-op on PS5, meaning both players need to be physically in the same location with a second controller connected to the console. Player 1 control Cupheads by default, while Player 2, who is a Mugman, can join by pressing a button on their controller once the game is running. Unfortunately, Cuphead does not have an official online multiplayer mode on PS5. Unlike some other games, there is no built-in feature to invite a friend online directly from the PlayStation menu. If you want to play online, you can use PlayStation's Share Play feature. This lets you stream the game to a friend, allowing them to control Player 2 on your console. Be aware that this requires a strong internet connection and any lag could make the gameplay more challenging. Third-party remote play services, though these are not officially supported and may not provide the best experience, you can use it as another option. To sum it up, Cuphead on PS5 is designed for local co-op and doesn't have an official online multiplayer mode. The best workaround is to use Share Play to let your friend join in remotely, though it's not a perfect solution. And that's it. Thank you for watching.